Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the amazing switch back to risk-on yesterday, the recovery in the dollar, the surge in commodity prices, and the fall in the euro. And then we'll discuss the Reserve Bank of New Zealand rate decision briefly. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my daily market comment. Well, the market staged a stunning reversal after President-elect Donald Trump changed his tone in his acceptance speech. The switch to risk-on pushed stock prices higher in the U.S., and now they're higher across the board in Asia and in Europe as well. With the switch to risk-on, the dollar rebounded while the safe haven yen and gold fell back. The really noticeable move, though, was in commodity prices. They're up sharply after Trump emphasized infrastructure investment in his acceptance speech. He said, "We are going to rebuild our highways, bridges, tunnels, airports, schools, hospitals. We're going to rebuild our infrastructure." Now, during the campaign, Trump pledged $1 trillion, $1 trillion for infrastructure investment. At the same time, he's also pledged a lot of tax cuts, too. So bond yields in America moved sharply higher as investors concluded his pledge to increase spending on one hand and cut taxes on the other hand means more borrowing. The euro fell on concern that the eurozone might be next in line for the anti-elite sentiment sweeping the globe. For example, all the polls show former Prime Minister Alain Juppé beating the anti-euro Marine Le Pen in the second round of French voting. But, as you know, the polls also showed UK voters rejecting Brexit. They showed Hillary Clinton winning the election, etc., etc. So people are a bit more wary now about what the polls show. Overnight, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut rates by 25 basis points, as was widely expected. And it said it expects that it's finished easing, so it switched to a neutral bias. The New Zealand dollar fell nonetheless after Governor Wheeler said the RBNZ has an open mind on currency intervention. Also, Assistant Governor McDermott said the exchange rate is too high, and he said, notably, the RBNZ will cut rates again if needed. I personally think they may have to cut rates further to get the Kiwi down, and so I remain negative on the currency. There are no major indicators out today. Everyone will just be thinking about the implications of Donald Trump and consider the U.S. election system, which once again allowed someone to become president who lost the popular vote. So I won't be making a North American opening market comment today. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.